Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LPTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had by far in quite a while. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support, then I can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $3.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above $3.25, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things from a support standpoint, it's all about the very famous 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line right there. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move higher and higher. So from a grand scheme of things perspective, if you just care about more so the overall health or lack thereof of the price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above $3.25, that would be ideal. But at the end of the day, from the broad scope of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the trend is fully in the bull's favor. What about areas of resistance? Current level of resistance right now, which has quite a bit of price congestion, right up there at about $3.47. Yeah, I realize the price technically got above it on a couple different instances, but I think we can all agree that in the spirit of the area, there's quite a bit of price congestion right up there around that point. So 347, 346, 348, whatever you want to call it. Point being, right up here around this area of the chart is where the sellers are currently hanging out. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But no doubt about it, nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.